Okay. All right.
Okay. So Google Lee, we haven't seen him in a while.
Exactly. Where you been hiding, Googly?
Yeah. Says, hi Davinci, do you think traditional market traders coming in will delay Bitcoin mining?
No, it's just I think they might. They'll actually increase. The thing is, right? Once we get to like 40,000, these guys are going to come in a big way, man. I mean, Jesus, the amount of money that's coming in the next little while will make is pennies compared to what happened in 2017. Pennies, because you have to understand the move from 10,000 to 20,000, right, is a lot bigger in cash wise from 20,000 to 40,000, right? A lot bigger, right? And so imagine when we go from like here, let's just take the bottom of the last Bitcoin bull run from $200 to $20,000, right? That seems like those two numbers seem like wow, but the from 20,000, let's just go from the bottom of $3,000 to $300,000, right? That's even bigger sets of numbers, and that requires a massive amount of dollars that is coming, right? I mean, J.P. Morgan even said, yeah, if they just allocate 1%, which they won't, they'll allocate 2%, right? So that works out to about $1.2 trillion just cash just flooding into Bitcoin and probably even Ethereum as well. And you know, right? The average Joe is going to look at Bitcoin, right? And then start to say, well, I missed it, right? And what are they going to look for? What are they going to look at?
Ethereum, altcoins,
Exactly.
DeFi, NFTs.
Exactly. I mean, NFTs are just gonna like. I mean, the latest news, and I wanted to mention it, but I didn't get the chance to. You heard about the NFT that went for like $777,000. Did you hear about that NFT?
No, but I hear some that went to a million or some things like that.
I mean, that is just the beginning. We're probably going to see an NFT go for $1 billion one time.
Man, it's going to be like a gif of a banana taped on a wall. That's going to be the NFT.
We're gonna see some crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff because why is that? Well, because the dollar is getting wiped out, right? And so people are gonna do crazy things. All right. Next question.
All right. So, Amar, sorry, I cannot read. Amar Kirishi, sorry if I didn't read your name correctly. Ask, DJ, do you believe Bitcoinization will happen in our lifetime? If so, what time frame?
Are you kidding? Well, how old are you, man? like you know it's going to happen within 10 to 15 years, man. And I don't know about you, but I'm going to still be around for that, right? So yeah, and it might happen even sooner than that, because you hear about the people at the top making billions of dollars. They're looking at this and they're like can't believe they missed this. Right? And they're like, oh my God. Because it is an oh my God moment. Once you understand what Bitcoin is, how it works, it's an oh my God moment. Right? For you. And so when these top tier multimillionaires get it, it's going to be a flood. The floodgates are going to come in. There's hyper Bitcoinization. Right? It won't be a term. It'll be like, well, what are you talking about? Hyper Bitcoinization. It's money. Obviously, duh. Duh. I mean, wouldn't you? It doesn't make sense to have money that's created out of nothing and printed forever. Obviously, you want money that has a fixed number, right? So you know that there's always going to be a fixed supply, and it's always going to go up in value. That's much better. Why would I want money that's going to lose value? It's just dumb. I mean, it will be that clear, right? That clear to everybody in 10 to 15 years.